so free. No place in the yard he didn't want to go see. He had 6 legs and big fat wings, and he flew through the yard and saw the coolest things. One day he was flying right next to the house, wanted to see what was in, cause he knew it was out. See, he got hypnotized by this big old square, saw the screen door and the things he saw in there. It was bright and shiny, there was colors and lights. It was cool new stuff, and there was wonderful sights. He was like, alright, I'll fly right inside. I mean, hey, the yard's cool, but I'ma give this a try. But he crashed when the screen hit him right in the head. He was dazed, with a couple brain cells dead. Kept trying all day, but he couldn't find the entrance. Forgot about the yard and got trapped in 2 dimensions.
Oh no! Don't get caught on the screen, cause it's not what it seems. If you know what I mean.
If you know what I mean.
Don't get caught on the screen, cause it's not what it seems. If you know what I mean.
Hey, if you know what I mean. Come on.
Well, there was this little boy, and man, he thought so free. No place in the world he didn't want to go see. He was 6 years old with big fat dreams, and he knew that the world is as cool as it seems. One day it was quiet inside of his house. He walked by the TV and started checking it out. See, he got hypnotized by this big old square, saw the flat screen and the things he saw in there. It was bright and shiny, there was colors and lights. There was cool new stuff and there was wonderful sights. He was like, alright, my eyes are open wide. I mean, hey, the world's cool, but I'ma give this a try. Things flashed from the screen right into his head. He was dazed, with a couple brain cells dead. Kept watching all day till he couldn't speak a sentence. Forgot about the world and got trapped in 2 dimensions. Oh no!
Don't get caught on the screen, cause it's not what it seems. If you know what I mean.
You know what I mean.
Don't get caught on the screen, it's a part of the scheme. If you know what I mean.
Hey, if you know what I mean. Come on, come on, come on.
Don't get caught on the screen, cause it's not what it seems. If you know what I mean.
Yeah, if you know what I mean.